Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And this morning we wanted to share a Thanksgiving treat with you, a pet project as it were, a pet squirrel named Squirrel. He fell down my brother-in-law's chimney, who lived in an old house made in the French and Indian War back here in Cincinnati, and it landed in his fireplace, and we hand-fed him for a number of months until he became a squirrel. So we thought we'd share this with you on this Thanksgiving. Enjoy all this, and we'll see you at the end. Well, we hope you had a good Thanksgiving and found all this entertaining. Have a good day flying your Grumman. Thanks for watching. And here's Linda Mongenet and Jan Blackman standing beside Ken's old airplane, November 5792 Lima.